Nova Ecijanos.
Hello po.
Can you introduce yourself one by one to our viewers?
Hello guys, I'm Marvin J. Santos from the Municipality of Pantabangan.
Hello guys, I'm Edmar G. Cagente from the Municipality of Talugtog.
Hello guys, my name is Raymart Santiago Concepcion from San Antonio.
Alright, congratulations kasi natapos niyo yung finals final round of preliminaries before the finals ng Mr. Indonesia. Ano nararamdaman niyo, Raymart?
Sobrang grateful po kasi sa wakas natapos na po siya. Ang inaantay na lang po namin is coronation. Tsaka sobrang nakakatuwa kasi ang gaganda po talaga lahat ng mga national costume, even sa lahat po talaga lahat.
Yan, sobrang nag-enjoy po ako sa costume competition po natin. And ayun, masaya po.
What about you, Arjun?
I'm so grateful po because we ended with a bang, because everyone deserved a wonderful clap, because everyone gives an effort for this po.
And by the way, Arvin, I want to congratulate you from napasok ka sa top 5 ng Presidential Costume. Anong nararamdaman mo na you're meeting the competition na to?
I feel pressured po, but it is a good thing for me being pressured and one of the stronger candidates because most of the people, I read a lot of comments that considered me as a front runner. But even though I'm pressured, I take it positive because it means that I will do my best for the next event.
Ayun. Alam mo ba tayong tatlo, you have the potential to win this competition, being one of the winners. If ever you win, may pageant ba kayo, national pageant na tina-target na palihan, na mapuntahan? Ikaw, Arvin.
Ako po, anything that my Mr. Nueva Ecija, kung saan po nila ako ilalagay kasi I know that they know what is the best for me.
Go ahead.
Ganun din po yung sa akin. Pero gusto ko rin po yung King of the World, Great Man. Yan, mga ganyan po.
Ikaw, Raymart.
Gusto ko po yun yung King of the World and at the same time yung Great Man of the Philippines, yung kay Sir Maki po. Kasi I idolize Sir Maki. Ang galing po niya.
Ayan. And can you invite them to support you, especially 3 weeks from now, July 11 finals yun na.
So hello everyone, please support Mr. Nueva Ecija sa July 11 po yun magaganap.
Hello guys, we are inviting you sa darating na coronation night namin sa July 11, 2026. So, see you right there guys.
Hello guys, once again, I'm Marvin J. Santos from the Municipality of Pantabangan. I will invite you to go here in Nueva Ecija on July 11.
Alright, thank you candidates number 19, 16, and 17. And good luck sa Mr. Nueva Ecija.
Thank you so much po.